Hi, I'm Tim Saleska, and I teach Old Testament here at Concordia Seminary. And I'm really excited to lead a Prof's Insights workshop June 3rd through the 5th at Emmanuel Lutheran Church in Valparaiso, Indiana. The workshop will offer delightful conversations that center around what I think is the most beautiful and powerful poetry ever written, the Book of Psalms. The Psalms are complex on so many different levels. For us to appreciate them, we have to read each one slowly and carefully. And in this workshop, we will take the time to do just that. We will read, and while we're reading, we will talk, and we will reflect together on the truths that the Psalms offer, the challenges that they raise, and the experiences that they bring. Please join me and register at csl.edu. I look forward to seeing you this June.